Have you ever been looking for a side hustle? Maybe something you can add to your job and start paying your bills. Something that's going to be paying you. So this is one of the greatest side hustle I have ever seen on the internet that have been paying me almost 800k in 2 months. Let me show you. Let me show you this loading. Okay, you can now see I have made over 800k in the last 2 months, and this is something that is going to help you to start paying your bills. If making money online is something that is really burning in your mind, okay, I'm going to give you 2 strategy that is going to help you to start making money online. The same strategy I give my students that have helped them to start making money online. It's something that is going to worth a whole lot of your time. Okay, look at this platform also. It has paid me over $200 in a single month. Okay, it's something that's going to help you to start paying your bills. Once you understand this secret strategy, I'm going to give it to you. It's going to be a game changer for you. Let me show you another one. Let me show you another one. Look at this. Look at this is share sale. Share sale have paid me $99 in just 1 week. Okay, and what is funny about this is I did not sell anything here. I did not sell anything here. Okay, just bring a customer to a company, they pay me. As simple as that, and you will do it in any way you want using the same strategy I use to start making money online. Okay, it's a good opportunity for you. It's something that's going to help you to start paying your bills. You no longer have to wait for month end once you understand this secret strategy. Okay, and a lot of my students have been using it to make money online for themselves, even to start making money after the next thing. Once you have Facebook account, the Facebook account you use to watch videos and other stuff on the internet, in the same Facebook account you also use to make this kind of money for yourself. Okay, and you can use the Facebook. I'm going to use the Facebook account in 2 ways. Okay, and it's something that is going to do it. Once you understand the strategy, it's going to be very easy for you. Here's one thing you do. You're going to bring customer to a company and then pay you this kind of money.